Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is Avogadro's constant, the number that bridges grams and atoms. By the end of this video, you'll know what it equals, how to use it, and why it's the same for everything you can count in chemistry. Avogadro's constant, Na, is the number of particles in 1 mole, 6.02 times 10 to the 23 per mole. To find the number of particles, you just simply multiply the number of moles by 6.02 times 10 to the 23. The same constant works for atoms, ions, molecules, anything you can count. Three things. 1. Avogadro's constant is a number with units of per mole. 2. It has nothing to do with mass directly. That's the relative atomic mass, or the MR. 3. It lets you convert easily between the macro scale moles and the atomic scale particles. Common slip. Thinking Avogadro is about grams. It's not. It's about counting particles. Use it whenever a question asks how many atoms, ions, or molecules, never to find a mass directly. Quick example. 0.5 moles of carbon contains 0.5 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23 equals 3.01 times 10 to the 23 atoms. 2 moles of water contains 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23, which equals 1.20 times 10 to the 24 molecules. Just multiply moles by Avogadro's constant. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.